Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video series. In this video series, we are going to be completing each and every single exercise of the NCERT Class 9 Maths book. So, the first exercise which we are going to complete is exercise 1.1. So, without any further ado, let's get into it. So, question number 1 is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0? First, let us look at the Venn diagram of rational numbers and integers. We all know that each integer is a rational number, and integers is a collection of numbers from negative infinity, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2 all the way up to infinity. And if 0 is an integer and each integer is a rational number, then 0 should be a rational number. The second part of the question is that can you write it in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0? So yes, 0 can be written in the form P by Q as 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, etc. Moving on to the next question, find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Over here, for this question, I would like to give you an important point. Whenever questions of this type comes, first convert the rational numbers to like fractions, then multiply the numerator and the denominator by the required number plus 1. For example, in this question, you would multiply 3 and 4 by 6 plus 1, which is 7. So now we perform the calculation. 3 upon 1, it has 1 in the denominator as 3 does not have anything, into 7 upon 7 would give us 21 upon 7. Same thing for 4 upon 1 would give us 28 upon 7. So hence the required rational numbers are 22 upon 7, 23 upon 7, 24 upon 7, 25 upon 7, 26 upon 7 and 27 upon 7. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 3. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. So for this question, following the same pointer from the previous question, we would have the number required as 5. Therefore, n plus 1 would be 6. So if we perform the calculation now, we would see that we would multiply 3 by 5 into 6 by 6, which would give us 18 by 30, and 4 by 5 into 6 by 6, which gives us 24 upon 30. So the required rational numbers are 19 upon 30, 20 upon 30, 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30 and 23 upon 30. Moving on to the next question. Question number 4. State whether the following statements are true or false. Give reasons for your answer. So the first part is every natural number is a whole number. So for this question, I would like you all to refer to this Venn diagram of real numbers, which shows rational numbers and irrational numbers. So if we look at question number 1, which says every natural number is a whole number, we will look at this Venn diagram. As you can see that natural numbers, collection of natural numbers lies inside whole numbers. So this statement would be true. Whole numbers are a collection of natural numbers and 0. If we look at the second part, every integer is a whole number. If you look, the collection of integer is bigger than the collection of whole numbers, and every integer like negative 2 is not a whole number. So this statement would be false, as negative integers are not whole numbers. For example, negative 2 is an integer but not a whole number. If we look at the third part, every rational number is a whole number. Again, we would look at this Venn diagram. You can see that this collection of rational numbers is much bigger than the collection of whole numbers, and so this statement is also going to be false, as every rational number is not a whole number. Every number of form P by Q can't be simplified into a whole number. For example, 3 by 4 is a rational number but not a whole number. And with this question, our exercise is finished. If you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section below and I'll be happy to help you out. And I will see you with exercise 1.2.